Hello students, exponents. In this video, I am going to explain about the number to exponent conversion. Number to exponent conversion, that is positive exponent, negative exponent and decimal exponent. That means exponent is a number, positive number, and exponent is a negative number, and exponent is a decimal number. In which cases it is going to happening, then I am going to explain now. It is the sixth video. Previous video, squares and square roots I explained. Coming to the topic. First one, number to exponent conversion. Number to exponent conversion. Example, convert 674. This many zeros I taken here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros I taken into exponential form. I want to convert this. That is, once step by step I given here. Step 1, count the number of digits present in given number. Count the number of digits present in given number. How many digits are here? Number of digits present in the given number, that is 674. How many digits? You should count it. That is the number of digits present in this given number is 6, 7, 4. These are the other than 0 digits. And 8 zeros are there. So how many? 1, 2, 3 plus 8. 3 plus 8, 11. Express all number of zeros into the power of tens. I want to express all zeros. It is very difficult this much number all the times. So then you should convert the zeros into powers. That is, express all number of zeros into the power of tens. Now number of zeros how many? 8. Then this number converted into 674. This only other than 0 digits I take it. All zeros converted into 10 powers. That is 8 zeros are there. You should write it down 10 power 8. 674 into 10 power 8. So this is the number to exponent conversion. This is 8 is the positive exponent. This is the method when zeros are there in the given number. Next one, when zeros are not present in the given number. In this case, number which has no zeros. How to convert the number to exponent which has no zeros? That is, convert 3, 5, 6 to 8, 9 into exponential form. There is no zeros here. Once observe the steps. Step 1, count the number of digits present in the given number. First, count the digits. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number of digits are 6. Step 1. Step 2, select the place of digit that you want to convert. Here, you need to select the places. According to the problem, just we are doing this step, but here, digits wise, I am explaining to you. Select the place of digit that you want to convert. That means we are selecting the digit. Now I selected the digit here. From the digit 5, need to convert. Just I selected 5. From digit 5, I need to convert. If you want, you can take another digit. First listen to this and then you can do your own example. Now, from the digit, count the right side digits. What the digit I selected here? 5. From the digit, count the right side of the digits. 5 right side digits are 6 to 8, 9. Count the number, count the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits are there. That is third step. From the digit 5, number of digits are 4. Next one, fourth step. Write that count in the power of tens and keep the decimal. This is very important step. Write that count in the power of tens. Power of tens and keep the decimal. Once look at here. Keep the decimal after digit 5. After 5, you need to keep the decimal here. After 5 in the sense, this is before 5, this is after 5. So after 5 should keep the decimal and write 10 to the power of 4. Why 4? After 5 we are having 4 digits, then we should write the 10 to the power of 4. Now the answer is 35 point. After 5 I keep the decimal point here. 35 point. What are the 4 digits here? 6289. 35.6289 into 10 power 4. So this is the process. This is also positive digit, but the number which has no zeros, then you can convert that number into the exponential 10 power exponent. If you want to convert some more numbers, should go through like this. 356289 number, previous answer is this one. If you select 6 here, if you select 6, same steps. After 6, you need to keep the decimal point. How many digits are there? 2, 8, 9, 3 digits are there. Then write down the 10 power 3. Next one, if you select 2, here, after 2 keep the decimal point, count the digits and write it in the 10 powers. Next, if you select 3, this is 3. Then you should keep the decimal point after 3. Then count the digits 5, 6, 2, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 power 5. Next, if you select before digit 3, 3 before is nothing but there is no numbers. There is no numbers in the sense left side internally you may keep many zeros. Left side there is no change in the value. If you keep zeros to the left side of the number value does not change. So if you select before digit 3, write 0 and keep the decimal point. Now I am doing this step. If you select before 3, I am selecting the digit before 3. Before 3 there is no numbers, so keep 0 here. Before 3 there is no digit, so write 0 and keep decimal. After 0, this is the number I taken here. After 0, how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is, after 0, keep the decimal. Then write down the remaining digits as usual and 10 power 6. After 0, we are having 6 digits. So 10 power 6 is there. Another 0 also you may keep. So another 0. I am writing. That is the next one. If you select before 0, that is 0 point. This digit I taken here. How many digits here total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is after this 0, I keep decimal point and remaining rest of the digits as usual I write 0, 3, 5, 6, 2, 8, 9 into 10 power 7. So next, if you want to keep more zeros, you can do the process like this. So example purpose I taken and this is the answer here. If you want to keep more zeros, some more digit. If you want to keep some more digit, 0 point. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 power 8. If you want to keep more towards the left side, you may keep and write on the zeros and write on the exponents. Count the digits and write on that digit in the exponent, 10 power exponent. This is the number 2 exponent, positive exponent conversion. Next, what about the negative exponent? If the exponent is negative, that is 10 power 4 is here. Answer is 10 power 4. If 10 power minus 4 is there, then how is the problem? Once look at that. Decimal to exponent conversion. This is the decimal to exponents conversion. And this is the decimal number I taken here. 0.00345, which is less than 0. The value is less than 0. But after this is the decimal point left side value and decimal point right side value. Left side value is called the number and these are the decimal points. That is why we are writing that we are reading as 0.00345, not 345. Next one, step 1. Now what is our target? Convert decimal to exponent. This decimal need to convert into the exponential form. That is, count the number of digits present after decimal. After decimal, how many digits are there? You should count 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That is step 1. Number of digits after decimal is 5. Next, step 2. Keep negative sign and write down that count to the power of tens. Keep the negative sign. So what is the number here? 5. Keep the negative sign, that is minus 5. That is, keep the negative sign, that is minus 5, and write the power of tens. 10 power minus 5. This is second step. Third one, after decimal point, eliminate the left side zeros and write down the remaining number. After decimal point, how many numbers are there? 0, 0, 3, 4, 5. Once look at that. After decimal point, digits are 0, 0, 3, 4, 5. So from this, left side zeros you may eliminate because of there is no value. So eliminate the left side zeros and write down the remaining digit. That is 345. And step 4, multiply this number with the negative power of tens. Whatever the power of negative power is there, you should multiply with this number. That is step 5. That is, final number is 345 and power of tens is 10 power minus 5. Then answer is 345 into 10 power minus 5. So this is the negative exponent. Number to exponent conversion, that is positive exponent. Decimal to exponent conversion, that is the negative exponent. Now, when exponent is decimal in the sense, exponent is, that is in the first case 10 power 4 is there, in the second case 10 power minus 5 is there. That is the first case positive and second case is negative. I explained recently. And what is the 10 decimal? Decimal is nothing but 10 power 0.2, 10 power 0.3, 10 power 0.5. In which cases it is going to happen? Now, in which case exponent is decimal? This is the question you should keep in your mind. When positive exponent, what is the meaning of positive exponent? When number to exponent conversion, exponent is positive. That is number to exponent conversion, exponent is positive, that is x power 5. Example, what is the meaning of x power 5? X multiplied by 5 times. X into x into x into x into x. X multiplied by 5 times. Here, when decimal to exponent conversion, exponent is negative. What is the meaning of negative exponent? X power minus 5 equal to question mark. So what is the meaning of this? Let's go through that. That is rule 8. Till now we completed rule 1, rule 2, rule 3. A power 0 equal to 1. A power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. A power m by a power n equal to a power m minus n. Next one, a power m into b power m equal to ab whole power m. Next, a power m by b power m equal to a by b whole power m. That is up to 5. Next one, square root of a into b equal to square root of a into square root of b. Next, square root of a by b equal to square root of a by square root of b. These two rules, 5 plus 2, 7 rules completed. This is the 8th rule. When exponent is negative, that is a power minus n. This is the exponent and this is the base. When exponent is negative, this is minus n. In that case, write down that expression into 1 by a power n. 1 by a power n. That is, 1 is the numerator and a power n is the denominator. Look at them. It's a very important one. 1 is the numerator and a power n is the denominator. Next, example I taken here. 3 power minus 4 equal to question mark. What is 3 power minus 4? So here a equal to, compare this expression with the a power minus n, then base is a, so that is why a equal to minus 3, a equal to 3, n equal to 4. A equal to 3 and n equal to 4. Already minus and minus is there, so n equal to 4. Next, 3 power minus 4 equal to, so that is converse 1 by a power n, that is 1 by a is 3 and power is n is 4, then 1 by 3 power 4 equal to 1 by 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 3 times 4 multiplication, that is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, 27 3 is 81, so answer is 1 by 81. That is rule 8. Next, rule 9. When exponent is decimal. When exponent is decimal. Then how the exponent is decimal here? Nth root of a. We are reading that nth root of a. Nth. Nth root of a. If in place of n, 5 is there. 6 is there. 6th root. In place of n, 8 is there. 8th root. In place of n equal to 10, 10th root. N equal to 100, 100th root. You should read like this. Now nth root of a, nth root of a equal to what? A power 1 by n. Here base is a and exponent is 1 by n. 1 by n. Now example I taken here, 5th root of a equal to question mark. 5th root of a. Here n equal to 5. So 5th root of a we are reading like this. Then a equal to 1 by 5. 1 by 5 is what? 1 by 5 is decimal conversion is 0.2. Now this is a power 0.2. So this is the decimal exponent. When n equal to 2, so this is the note. When n equal to 2, then it means it is a square root. Here in place of n, if you are having 2, then it is equal to square root. We are simply reading a square root. Write on that point also in your classwork. So okay students, that is about the today's class. And decimal conversion, number to exponent and number to, that is positive and negative, and decimal conversion is very very important while you are doing the calculations. Many of the students are getting the doubts in this area. So listen to the video again, and if you are having any doubts you can contact me. Thank you students.